Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs and Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 20, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Which state has announced an economic relief package of Rs 1250 crore due to COVID-19 pandemic? Answer: Karnataka. To help citizens who have lost their livelihoods and incurred losses due to COVID-19 second wave lockdown, the Karnataka government announced an economic relief package on Wednesday. More points. B.S. Yedurappa, often referred to his initials BSY, is an Indian politician serving as the 19th and current Chief Minister of Karnataka. He was born on 27 February 1943. Current affairs of Karnataka. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yedurappa, announced that Karnataka will be hosting the second Khelo India University Games in this year 2021. Second point, the Horticulture Department of Karnataka will set up a flower processing center in collaboration with International Flower Auction Bangalore IFAB. Second question, recently, who has been taken the oath as the next Chief Minister of Kerala? Answer: Pinarayi Vijayan. The CPIM led Left Democratic Front government in Kerala that retained power in assembly polls will be sworn in on Thursday, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has said. Third question, which state has announced a unique Corona Mukt Pind Abhiyan? Answer: Punjab. Stressing the need to avoid the kind of situations that was prevailing in the villages of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh on Sunday announced a unique COVID Fateh program as a part of Corona Mukt Pind Abhiyan to tackle the worrying spread of COVID in the rural areas. More points. Captain Amarinder Singh is a politician, military historian, author, former royal and former veteran serving as the 15th and current Chief Minister of Punjab. Vijayendra Pal Bandore is an Indian politician serving as the 28th and current Governor of Punjab. Current affairs of Punjab. Facing an anti-COVID vaccine shortage, the Punjab government on Thursday decided to join Global COVAX Alliance for sourcing the immunization shots at the best price. Fourth question, who has authored the book Born a Muslim: Some Truths About Islam in India? Answer: Ghazala Wahab. Born as Muslim: Some Truths About Islam in India, author Ghazala Wahab, publisher Aleph Price, Rs 999, pages 399. The capacious and comprehensive Born a Muslim by journalist and writer Ghazala Wahab was born out of massively ambitious aim. Books and authors 1890 to 1990. Geetanjali, Rabindranath Tagore. Hind Swaraj was written by Mahatma Gandhi. The Golden Threshold, written by Sarojini Naidu. Anandamath, Banking Chandra Chatterjee. The Indian Struggle, Subhash Chandra Bose. India Wins Freedom, written by Abdul Kalam Azad. Current affairs, books and authors. After nearly a decade, author Jhumpa Lahiri returned to terrain of fiction with Whereabouts. Written originally in Italian, IAS Dove Mi Trovo in 2018, the novel has been translated into English by author herself. Actor Kalki Koechlin is making her debut as an author with illustrated non-fiction book on motherhood. Publisher Penguin Random House India (PRHI) announced on Saturday. Third point, bilingual author of Hindi and English Pankaj Dubai released a book titled One String Attached. It is set Ayodhya and tell the story of two lovers Shivam and Aina from different faiths. The book Sikkim, A History of Interregio and Alliance, published by HarperCollins India, released on May 16, which is celebrated as Sikkim Day. Fifth question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced Rs 1000 crore for which cyclone hit state? Answer: Gujarat. Modi on Wednesday approved the assistance Rs 1000 crore for immediate relief activities in Gujarat after conducting an aerial survey of areas hit by cyclone Taukte in the state, an official release said. More points. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is an Indian politician serving the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi. Modi is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party and its National Democratic Alliance (NDA). Born on 17 September 1950. Ministers and their departments. S. Jaishankar, Ministry of External Affairs. Amit Shah, Ministry of Home Affairs. Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Finance. Nitin Gadkari, Ministry of Road and Transport. Piyush Goyal, Ministry of Railway. Ramesh Pokhriyal, Ministry of Education. Harsh Vardhan, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Sixth question. Name the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan who died due to COVID-19. Answer: Jagannath Pahadia. Veteran Congress leader and the former Rajasthan Chief Minister Jagannath Pahadia has died due to COVID-19 at the age of 89. Now let's discuss about Rajasthan. It was formed on 30 March 1949. CM of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot and current Governor of Rajasthan is Kalraj Mishra. Seventh question. Where is India's first Agro Export Facilitation Center launched by MCCIA? Answer: Pune. The Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture (MCCIA) has teamed up with Agriculture Finance Body (NABARD) to launch India's first Agro Export Facilitation Center in Pune to boost agriculture exports from the region and adhere to global standards. Eighth question. Where did the world's largest iceberg breaks out recently? Answer: Antarctica. An enormous iceberg measuring 4,320 square kilometers has broken off coast of Antarctica. Measurements taken from satellites and planets have confirmed it has the world's largest according to reports. The iceberg A76 carved from the western side of Round Ice Shelf in Antarctica. Let's discuss about Antarctica. Antarctica, the southernmost continent and site of South Pole, is a virtually uninhabited ice-covered landmass. Most cruises to the continent visit the Antarctican Peninsula, which stretches toward the South America. Amundsen becomes the first to reach South Pole in December 14, 1911. This is Antarctica. This is South America. This is North America. This is Europe. This is Asia. And this is Australia. This is Africa, the second largest continent. Asia is the first largest continent and the smallest continent is Australia. Important point. Indian Research Center in Antarctica is named as Bharati. 11th question. Name the ocean observation satellite launched by China recently. Answer: Haihang 2D. China successfully launches new ocean observation satellite Haihang 2D. China on Wednesday successfully sent a new ocean monitoring satellite into orbit as a part of its effort to build an all-weather and round-the-clock dynamic ocean environment monitoring system which would provide early warning on marine disasters. Current affairs of China. From the trend of population development in this recent year, the population growth will continue to slow in future, NBS head Ning said, adding that China's total population will remain at more than 1.4 billion in the near future. Second current affairs. Debris from a Chinese rocket is expected to fall back to Earth in an uncontrolled re-entry this weekend. The main segment of Long March 5B vehicle was used to launch this first module of China's new space station last month. Third, China has successfully landed a spacecraft on Mars, states media announced early on Saturday. The six-wheeled Zhurong robot was targeting Utopia Planitia, a vast terrain in the planet's northern hemisphere. Ninth question. When is World Bee Day? Answer. May 20. World Bee Day is celebrated on May 20. On this day, Anton Jansa, the pioneer of beekeeping, was born in 1734. Let's discuss more about Anton Jansa. Anton Jansa was a Carniolan api artist and painter. Jansa is known as a pioneer of modern apiculture and a great expert in the field. He was educated as a painter, but he was employed as a teacher of apiculture at Habsburg Court in Vienna. This apiculture means that it is a scientific rearing of honey bee for the commercial production of honey and other bee products like wax, pollen, bee venom, and royal jelly. He was born on May 20, 1734. 10th question. Which company has partnered with Digit General Insurance to offer health insurance to consumers in rural areas? Answer. PayPoint. PayPoint India has partnered with Digit General Insurance to offer health insurance to consumers in underserved and rural areas and help cushion themselves against any major financial losses due to surging COVID-19. 12th question. Which state government is going to set up 48 oxygen plants? Answer. Telangana. Telangana has decided to build 48 oxygen plants to address the future need of oxygen in the state. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Monday directed the Medical and Health Department to set up 48 oxygen generation plants to produce 324 tons of oxygen at the government hospitals required for COVID-19 patients in the state. 13th question. Which state has ranked second in implementation of Smart City project recently? Answer. Rajasthan. Rajasthan came second amongst 36 states and union territories in the centre's online ranking after it completed and implemented the largest number of projects under the Smart City mission. 14th question. Who has won the 2020 Millennium Technology Prize which was announced recently? Answer. Shankar Balasubramanian and David Kleinerman. University of Cambridge chemist Shankar Balasubramanian and David Kleinerman have been jointly awarded 2020 Millennium Technology Prize, one of the world's most prestigious science and technology prizes, by TAF, Technology Academy Finland. Sir Shankar Balasubramanian is an Indian-born British chemist and Herkel Smith Professor of Medicinal Chemistry in the Department of Chemistry at the University of Cambridge, Senior Group Leader at the Cancer Research UK, Cambridge Institute and Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. Sir David Kleinerman, FRS FMED SCI, is a British biophysical chemist and a professor of biophysical chemistry at the Department of Chemistry at the University of Cambridge and a fellow of Christ College, Cambridge. This is Shankar Balasubramanian and this is David Kleinerman. 15th question. Which state bought black fungus treatment under Arogyasri scheme? Answer, Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra state government on Wednesday included black fungus in the list of disease covered under YSR Arogyasri. According to Health Department, the 14-day package under post-COVID with mucormycosis management cost Rs 41,968. Let's know what is mucormycosis. Mucormycosis or black fungus is a complication caused by fungal infection. People catch mucormycosis by coming in contact with fungal spores in the environment. It can also develop on the skin after the fungus enters the skin through a cut, scrape, burn, or other type of skin trauma. Current affairs of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy credited Rs 128.47 crore directly into the accounts of 6,27,906 farmers under YSR Zero Interest Crop Loan Scheme for 2019-2020 Rabi seasons. Second point, as many as 8,000 vehicles equipped with GPS and camera would collect dry as wet waste from every house under the Clean Andhra Pradesh initiative.